Setting up exponential models. Here we're talking about human population growth. The initial population is that large number, which we will change into scientific notation. So it's my beginning. So we're going to write it as 2.5 times 10, counting decimal moves 3, 6, 7, 8. The initial population times my growth factor. Well, it was projected to grow at a rate of 8% per decade. So 8% is my rate of growth. My multiplier or factor would be 1.08, and we'll raise that to a value of x. Now, if I'm going to predict to the nearest 100,000 for the year 2010, what we need to realize is that this is per decade, and so how many decades are in that between 1990 and 2010, and that would be our x variable. We'll just worry about setting them up. Biological decay. If it's decaying, we know it's eliminated, and so we're talking about caffeine being eliminated from the bloodstream of adult at 15% per hour. So it's decreasing at 15%, so that's my rate. So therefore my factor would be, well, let's see, if 15% is leaving, 85% remains in my bloodstream. So after I drink a caffeinated soda, and my peak level is 30 milligrams. So my body starts with 30 milligrams, and it's losing at a rate of 15%. So my multiplier is 85%. Now don't make that an 85, it's 85%. So you need that decimal. And the last one, compounded interest. This is a formula, and this is how money grows. We're lucky our money grows exponentially. It may start out very slow if you think about a J curve, but eventually over time, the more you get, the faster it's going to grow. So what I'm looking for here is find the final amount for a $1,000 investment. Well, the amount I start with is going to be P, my principal. So this is my 1,000. This is what I start with. 1 means I'm going to keep the 1,000, and I'm going to grow by a rate of 6% for the time period per year, which would be 18 years if I wanted to plug in a value. And this is the amount I accrue, or the total amount that I get at the end. Notice this formula in itself is our C times our A. And notice it's growth because my A, my factor, is larger than 1. My rate was 6%. The formula itself has a 1 there that we've been talking about, and that 1 says keep the $1,000 and grow by your 6%.